Hi, folks. This is Bee Shirley with the Crafty Bee. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. I'm coming today to share a few months, probably about 2 months ago or something like that. I had told you about some videos that I had made a couple years ago, but before my mother had passed away, when my uncle come to live with me, and I wasn't able to edit them. Well, I'm finally able to get some of those get to some of those videos and pictures. Haven't learned how to do the voiceover yet, so the videos that I'm going to be showing of the crafts that I've made are more in picture form. It's going to be a video, but in picture form until I can learn how to do it. So y'all please bear with me. I'm going to show this little intro at the beginning of each one of those videos, okay? Well, I hope y'all enjoy them. And if you have any questions, I will have the details of what I used and how I used them in the description box. Any questions, just put them on there and I will answer them the best that I can. Okay? God bless you all and have a spirit-filled day.